Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to calculate interquartile range. Now, this subtopic comes under the topic of statistics, measuring data. Remember, we were finding mean, median, mode, range. So this is part of those calculations for measures of central tendency. Now, how do you find the interquartile range? Upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So if the scores or the values are given in a jumbled up order, you have to first arrange the numbers in order. The best way is ascending order. So in the first set of numbers or the data is 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. Now the first thing we have to do over here is find the median. Finding the median will help us to get to our answer very easily. So that's the first, that's the last, second, second last, third, third last, fourth, fourth last, fifth, fifth last. So a total of 11 scores in order. That means the sixth score, the sixth value is going to be the median. So our median over here is 7. 7 is our median. All the numbers before 7, they are the lower half of the scores. All the numbers after 7, they are the upper half of the scores. So now we have to find the center of the lower half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 scores. So the middle of that will be the third score, which is 4. So that is the middle of these values over here. So that is like the 25th percentile. Median is the 50th percentile. And the upper quartile will be the 75th percentile. So 7, 8, 9, 9, 9. The halfway of that is this number 9 over here. So the 25th percentile, that is your lower quartile. That's your LQ, lower quartile. And the 75th percentile, that is your upper quartile, UQ. So our interquartile range will be upper quartile minus the lower quartile, which in this case here is 9 take away 4. So the interquartile range is going to be equal to 9 take away 4, 5. So 5 is the difference from the 25th percentile to the 75th percentile. So we can see over here the numbers has to be in order, and you have to first find the median to be able to find the interquartile range. In the next set of values, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19 is already in order. Let's find the median. There are 6 scores. First, last. Second, second last. Third, third last. So our median is here between 14 and 16. We don't have to find the value of the median. But now we know that those 3 numbers are the lower half and those numbers are the upper half. So we're not finding the median because the objective is to find the interquartile range. So for this set of values, the lower quartile, the 25th percentile is 12. That's your lower quartile. And the upper quartile, the 75th percentile is 18. That's your upper quartile. So the interquartile range over here is upper quartile take away the lower quartile. And that is equal to 18 take away 12. So the answer over here will be equal to 6. The interquartile range is 6. upper quartile, take away the lower quartile. In the third one, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 values. So first, last, second, second last, third, third last, fourth, fourth last. So the median is between these two numbers. The median is 5, but we need not calculate it. How do we get 5? 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Now the lower half of the scores is 1, 1, 3, 4. The upper half of the scores over here is 6, 7, 9, 9. Now there's 4 numbers over here. The 25th percentile will be between 1 and 3. Right? Because there's 1 here and 1 there, and 1 here and 1 there. So the middle of the lower half of the scores, that is your 25th percentile. So that's your lower quartile, which we have to calculate. And how do we calculate? We add these two numbers and then divide by 2. So lower quartile will be 1 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 4 divided by 2. And that is equal to 2 itself. So the lower quartile over here is 2. The upper quartile will be the 75th percentile, which happens to be here between 7 and 9. The middle of these 4 scores. And then we have to add 7 and 9 and then divide by 2. So the upper quartile will be equal to 7 plus 9 divided by 2. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 divided by 2. And that is going to be equal to 8. So the lower quartile is 2. That number goes over here in the middle of 1 and 3. Upper quartile is 8. That number goes over here between 7 and 9. Even though that number is not there, but that's how we calculate the lower quartile and upper quartile if there is even number of scores in the lower half and the upper half. So in this situation, the interquartile range will be equal to equation upper quartile minus the lower quartile. The upper quartile here is 8. Take away the lower quartile is 2. So the interquartile range for this set of values is equal to 6. So I hope by watching you've learned some skills regarding the interquartile range. Thanks for watching this video.